Yes, some people say, can plant and animals teach our children to be kinder, more patient, and responsible? Yes, of course, they can. Caring for living things teaches empathy, focus, and love. Start with a simple plant, a pet fish, a walk in the park. Let your child nurture life and watch their own spirit grow stronger. And now, the pearl of wisdom. A pearl of wisdom reminds us that to care for others is to grow ourselves. And today's pearl of wisdom is from a Native American proverb. And it says, we don't inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Isn't it beautiful? Love, joy, and respect always.
Anna Marie Expert Parenting.